the end, square end, flat end. So I'm going to take this and I'll take my wide. Put it in there, pop that side out. Over. Same thing on the other side. Come on. There. Slide that out. Inside is the blue. And hopefully there, I don't know if you can see the white, if you can tell me angle wise.
Yeah.
There's a little white blade right there. You take the wide, put it on the edge, push it, and that brings this up.
Okay.
Now, take the small, right on top of the wire. Why is that not coming out?
You want your cost or the list price? Okay.
Comes out like that.
Okay.
And then I'll reverse it. So there's an edge on the top of that, and it's square. So you want the flat part to go in there with the bump on the top, and it should click. Clicks in. Take this, push down. Oh.
Right.
Make sure
All right, wiggle test.
that it wiggle test connected.